Hi, I am Meenakshi. Welcome you all to my channel, Madimax. Today, we are going to see inverse of your matrix, transpose of your matrix, and adjoint of your matrix, cofactor of your matrix, and mirror of your matrix. These five are related to one by one. First, we go to see how to find the transpose of a matrix. For any given matrix A, the matrix whose rows are columns of A and whose columns are rows of A is called the transpose of A and is denoted by A transpose or A dash. What is the meaning? By interchanging rows into columns and columns into rows, we can get the transpose of a matrix. If A is a M cross N matrix, then A transpose, we can read this is A transpose is a N cross M matrix. Then what is the properties of the transpose of a matrix? These are some properties. Let R be a real number and A and B be the two matrices. Then A transpose, the whole transpose equal to A. First, we take A transpose and take the transpose of A transpose, we can get the real matrix A. Then we can add A plus B, the transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. AB, the whole transpose equal to B transpose, A transpose. Or A transpose equal to R into A transpose. Then inverse of a matrix. What is the inverse of a matrix? Inverse A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A provided determinant A not equal to 0. If A is a non-singular matrix, then 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A is defined to the reciprocal of the matrix A or the inverse of the matrix A. It is noted by A inverse. Already we have seen in our previous videos, how to find the determinant A. Then when we said the matrix is singular, if the determinant value is not equal to 0, then the matrix is a non-singular matrix. If the determinant value is equal to 0, then the given matrix is a singular matrix. Here, if we continue the problem, it is only the determinant value is not equal to 0. It is possible only the determinant value is not equal to 0. Note, a matrix A inverse is said to be the inverse of A if A inverse into A equal to A into A inverse equal to identity matrix. Right. Then the following results are extremely important to find the inverse of a matrix. Only a non-singular matrix possesses inverse. That is, a square matrix A possesses inverse if and only if determinant value is we told the determinant value is not equal to 0. Then A is said to be invertible. If A is non-singular matrix, then A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A, provided determinant A not equal to 0. Then algorithm to find the inverse of a matrix. What is the algorithm? Suppose a square matrix A is given whose inverse is to be obtained. First, we want to find the determinant A. First, find determinant A. If determinant A equal to 0, right inverse does not exist. If determinant A equal to 0, which is a singular matrix, then inverse does not exist. If determinant A not equal to 0, right inverse exists, and proceed to step 2. What is the step 2? Find cofactor of all the elements of A. Then we will see the next slide how to find the cofactor of the elements A. Then write the matrix of the cofactor of A. Then write adjoint of A. And A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A provided determinant A not equal to 0. Whether the inverse is correct, what we found, the inverse is correct. Now we verify it by using A into A inverse equal to identity matrix. We multiply A with the inverse matrix, we can get the identity matrix. Then what is cofactor? Let A be a cofactor matrix of order n and Mij denote the submatrix corresponding to the element Aij. The matrix got by suppressing the row and column through Aij. The number minus 1 power I plus j determined Mij is called the cofactor of Aij and is written as Cij. Then what is cofactor of Cij? Cofactor of Cij equal to minus 1 power I plus j into determinant of Mij. Here Aij is the each elements of the matrix capital A, A1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, like that. All are Aijs. But here Mij is the minor of the matrix. Let's see, we will go to see how to find the minor. where Mij denoted the minor of ith row and jth column of a matrix. Mij is the minor of ith row and jth column of the matrix. Cij is called the cofactor of a matrix and is noted by COFA, cofactor of A. Then the transpose of your cofactor. First we find the cofactor and we take the transpose of your cofactor, which is called the adjoint of A. Which is called the adjoint of A, which can be written as adjoint ADJA. Then how to find the minor of a matrices? In a square matrix, all the matrices are square matrix. We already know what is a square matrix. It contains rows and columns are equal. In a square matrix, rows and columns are equal. Each element possesses its own minor. The minor is defined as the value obtained from the determinant of a square matrix by deleting out a row and a column. How we find the minor? If you want to find the minor of M11, we delete the corresponding rows and columns. The remaining element is the minor of M11. Similarly, we can find the minor of M12, 13, 2122, 23, etc. For depending upon the 2 by 2 matrices or 3 by 3 matrices. Corresponding to the element of the matrix given a square matrix C. To find the minor of Aij, the value of the determinant obtained by deleting the ith row and jth column of a matrix C, which is stated by Mij, minor Ij, Mij. Then this is some example, 2 by 2 matrices. How to find the minor of A? Minor of the matrix A, this is all the elements A1112, 2122. Then what is the minor of M11? Minor of M11, we can delete this column and this row. The remaining element 7 is the minor of M11. Then how to find the minor of M12? We deleting this row and this column. The remaining element -4 is the minor of M12. Then M21, how to find the minor of M21? We deleting this row and this column. The remaining element 6 is the minor of M21. Similarly, M22, we deleting this column and this row, we get 2 is the minor of M22. Okay. Then find the minor of 3 by 3 matrices. The same procedure. Here, these are the elements of the matrix. This is a 3 by 3 matrix, square matrix. Minor of 2. Otherwise, we can write minor of M11, minor of M12, M13, minor of M21, M22, M23, minor of M31, M22, M23. What is both of them is right. Minor of 2 here we here write minor of 2 is by deleting this row, this column and this row, we can get remaining 4 3 5 1. 4 into 3 12 minus 5 into 1 5 equal to 7. Then minor of 2, minor of 2 is found minor of -3. By deleting this column and this row, the remaining 2 6 minus 1 1. Similarly, we can find minor of -1, 6, 4, 1. We're deleting the corresponding rows and columns. We get the minor of each elements, each entries of the matrix C. Okay. Then how to find the adjoint of a square matrix? Let's say this is the method. This is a L matrix. This is the matrix A11, 1, 2, 1, n, etc. M1, M2, Mn. The adjoint of A is defined to be the transpose of the cofactor matrix. What is this? The adjoint of A is defined to be the transpose of your cofactor matrix of A and is denoted by adjoint of A. Therefore, adjoint of A equal to Aij, the whole transpose. Then we can take the matrix A equal to this. Adjoint of A equal to transpose of A. What is transpose? Interchanging rows by columns and columns by rows. Aij transpose. Here Aij equal to A1112. We can write capital Aij is like this. A11, 1, 2, 1n, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2n, M1, M2, Mn. And what is the transpose of Aij? Aij transpose we can write by interchanging the rows into columns and columns into rows. Here A11, A12, A1n is the rows. We can write by column. And second row by second column, the mth row by m column. This is the transpose of the matrix. Then example. If A equal to 2, 4, 3, 5, find A transpose. How we find A transpose? Interchanging rows into columns and columns into rows. Here we interchange 2, 4. First row by first column, second row by second column. Okay. Then similarly, this is the 3 by 3 matrices. How to find the A transpose by interchanging rows into columns by columns into rows, by interchanging first row into first column, second row into second column, third row into third column. This is also the example for finding A transpose. Then find the adjoint of A. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Find the adjoint of A. And what is the formula for finding adjoint of A? Adjoint of A equal to transpose of the cofactor Aij transpose. Therefore, first you want to find the capital Aij. First you want to find the cofactor. What is the formula for finding cofactor? Cofactor Cij equal to minus 1 for I plus I into determinant Mij. This is minor of Mij. Already we have seen the next previous slide how to find the minor Mij. Now how to find the cofactor. What is the formula for finding cofactor 3 by 3 matrix? Cij equal to minus 1 for I plus I. Here this is C11, C12, C13. Here first C11 for C11, cofactor of C11. This is C11. Minus 1 power I equal to 1, j equal to 1. Minus 1 power 1 plus 1. The remaining, then we can leave this row, this column. This is the minor of 3. This is the minor of 3. 2510. We can take this 2510. Then minus 1 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 square is plus. Therefore, the sign is alternatively we can take only by 3 by 3 matrices plus the alternative sign we can take plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Okay, which is from minus 1 power 1 plus 1 is even term. Okay, plus 1. Then minus 1 power 1 plus 2 3, which is minus. Then minus 1 power 2 plus 2 4, which is plus. Minus 1 power 2 plus 3 5, which is minus. Therefore, alternative sign we can put A11 equal to this, leaving this row and this column 2510. We multiply 0 minus 5 minus 5. Then cofactor of this is we take this minus sign. This is for this element we put minus sign outside, and leaving this column and this row we get 2540. Similarly, we can find A13, A21, 2223, 31, 32, 33. We can write it in the matrix form. We can write it in the matrix form Aij. Then adjoint of A equal to transpose of cofactor equal to Aij transpose. Aij transpose. This is Aij. Then Aij transpose by interchanging rows into columns and columns into row, which is Aij transpose, which is the adjoint of A. This is the next problem for to find the adjoint of A. Same procedure. Then the last problem for how to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrices. Here determine A 2, 2, 3, 5. A 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Then when the inverses exist, the determinant value is not equal to 0. Then how to find the determinant A equal to 2, 5, 3 to multiply 2 into 5, 10, 3 into 2, 6, 4, which is determinant A here not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Then we find what is the formula for A inverse? 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Already we find the determinant J. Then we goes to find the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A equal to cofactor of A transpose. What is the formula for cofactor? Cij equal to minus 1 for I plus j into minor of Iij. Okay. Then C11, C12 minus 1 for 1 plus 1. Here minor of 2. Minor of 2, leaving this row in this column, we can directly write minor of 2 is 5. Similarly, minor of this M11 is minor of M11 or minor of 2 is 5. The minor of M12, we leaving this row column and this row. Minor of M12 is 3. The minor of M21, we leaving this and this 2. Minor of 22, we leaving this column and this row, we get 2. Similarly, we can take C11, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. This is a cofactor. We can write a cofactor by 5 minus 3 minus 2, 2. We can write, we know the formula adjoint of A equal to cofactor of A transpose. We can write by using transpose, interchanging rows into columns and columns into rows. Then A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A. We can already found determinant A equal to 4. We substitute determinant A equal to 4 and we substitute the adjoint of A. Here we get the A inverse. Then how to find the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrices? Same procedure. First we go to find the determinant A. Here the determinant value is minus 56, which is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Then by using the formula of cofactors C111213, C212223, C313233, already we told here in a 3 by 3 matrices to find cofactor, the signs are alternative. First plus minus, which is different upon -1 power 1. We can put first I equal to 1, j equal to 1, -1 square, I equal to 2, j equal to 2, -1 power 4. Like that we find this is value is even term. -1 power even is 1, -1 power odd is -1. Therefore, we can put the alternative sign. Alternative sign here, C11 minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus etc. Okay, then we can write cofactor of A and adjoint of A equal to cofactor of A transpose. We take the transpose, then find A inverse 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. This is the A inverse. Then some assignment problems. Find the inverse of A and find the adjoint of A. Thank you. Keep watching my videos and like, share, and subscribe my videos. Thank you.